So you want to know what will kind of make your day a little slow. This would do it right here. That's our driveway right there to come into our store. And that's what it looks like right now. Get it out. So this is what it looks like around here right now. For us being able to have a fireworks store. They're putting some plumbing in out here. Storm drainage. And these are our guys here that are working on doing us. I think he's going to drag this bucket of rocks back. Hear that, or he's just going to get some out of it. He's getting some out of it. They are actually trying to keep a little bit of an opening, but this tractor goes back and forth and probably here pretty quick. I don't know if we're going to be able to have people coming in and out. Then across the street, they're putting in poles, light poles. Hear that, or taking them out. Then they're putting in drainage over there. But this right here is what's affecting us. Plus, we're supposed to have some pretty harsh storms today, so I don't know if they get crazy storms, if that will shut them down. Probably will. And fine. As you can see, our parking lot is not real busy, so we kind of have to just kind of hang in there while it's getting done. And that's us. We're open. Got a lot of stuff in here this year. It's really heavy duty. We just need customers. I don't know. We get some walk-ins, but not a lot. But you can see all the cakes we got. And we got so much stuff, man. I think we got the store looking pretty good. Looks pretty healthy. Got a lot of mortars. Over here, a lot of mortars. These are all Roman candles, bottle rockets. We got these Gatling guns. These are Roman candles. They have 240 shots. They're pretty nice. Stuff for the kiddos. American flags that are missiles. More of these. Uh-oh. There's Al Capone right there. How about that cutie? I wish I could sell these, boys. These things are creepy. Anyway, got a lot of good stuff. And we're just waiting for the road to open here so we can sell it all. We're ready. It really hasn't been super busy yet this year. It's actually been a little better than the year before, but I think it's going to do really good here pretty soon. But as you can see, oh, here comes a guy. See, comes another tractor. He's going to dump rocks, I think, in that bucket over there or something. Pretty crazy. Oh, wow. Hopefully, well, the weekend they don't work, so if we could sell real good this week, it'd be great. And there's our motorhome sitting right there. This is where we live while we're here. Pretty good situation, I think. There's houses. There's a campground back over there. You can see the RVs. Thanks for watching.